I'm kin to the roving wind that brings the norther in. Along that dusty trail I'll take my stand. The steers are big and bold, and the nights are often cold, but I'll get by so long as I can throw that rope and brand that calf and dream of a girl in a photograph. I got no home, I got no wife, but I'll be a doggone cowboy all of my life. I'm up at the crack of dawn and I throw the bacon on. Seems somehow my work is never through. When I get done at night, all the stars are big and bright, but then it's all in what you're used to when you throw that rope and brand that calf and dream of a girl in a photograph. I got no home, I got no wife, but I'll be a doggone cowboy all of my life. The hot, dry wind may blow, and you'll see me in the rain and snow, with just an old campfire to keep me warm. I'll move the herd along, and I'll greet them with a song. So I guess that I was born to throw that rope and brand that calf and dream of a girl in a photograph. I got no home, I got no wife, but I'll be a doggone cowboy all of my life. When it's sunrise on the prairie and the night shadows fade from out of view, makes the sunbeam necessary to add a sparkle to the morning dew. When it's sunrise on the prairie with the sage and cactus all in bloom, makes a body feel light and airy when they fill their lungs with nature's sweet perfume. You'll see the purple mountains rise and watch a tumbleweed roll by, a snow-white cloud on the horizon, like a pillow in the sky. When it's sunrise on the prairie and the warm breezes gently brush your hair, any other place is secondary to folks who know and live away out there. You'll see the purple mountains rise and watch a tumbleweed roll by, a snow-white cloud on the horizon, like a pillow in the sky. When it's sunrise on the prairie and the warm breezes gently brush your hair, any other place is secondary to folks who know and live away out there. Hold him down, burn his hide. There's extra pay for every day, so hold that critter down, burn his hide, hold him down. It's roundup time and the weather's fine, the strays must all be branded. The irons fry and the dogies cry, but the old man has commanded. So all day long I sing this song, hold that critter down, hold him down, burn his hide. There's extra pay for every day, so hold that critter down, burn his hide, hold him down. When the sun goes down and the moon comes round, to the old coon shack we're heading. We'll throw the pie in the chuck cook's eye and tie him up in his bedding. Then we'll make him run to the tune of a gun, so hold that critter down, hold him down, burn his hide. There's extra pay for every day, so hold that critter down, burn his hide, hold him down. I've got him down, now burn his hide. When my working day is over and the evening sun is new, I'll be riding down the Thexicali Trail to you. When the moon is on the prairie and the stars are peeping through, hand in hand we'll ride the Thexicali Trail, we two. The sky will be our ceiling, the moon our light of day, our love will be the beacon to guide us on our way. I'll be whispering I love you,
whispering I love you,
and you'll say you love me too,
say you love me too.
when I'm riding down the Thexicali Trail with you.
The sky will be our ceiling, the moon our light of day, our love will be the beacon to guide us on our way.
I'll be whispering I love you,
Whispering I love you,
and you'll say you love me too, when I'm riding down the Thexicali Trail with you. When I'm riding down the Thexicali Trail with you. Wherever the trail may wind, wherever the mountains climb, that's where you'll find me. I'm kin to the wind, wherever trail may go, wherever the tumbleweeds grow, that's where you'll find me. I'm kin to the wind. Nighttime may find me by a campfire bride, long before daylight I'll be gone with the night. Wherever the river winds, wherever the mountains climb, that's where you'll find me. I'm kin to the wind. Nighttime may find me by a campfire bride, long before daylight I'll be gone with the night. Wherever the river winds, wherever the mountains climb, that's where you'll find me. I'm kin to the wind. Singing hi-ho, happy I go where the range is big and wide. I'll stake my wealth in a lot of good health and a bobtail nag to ride. Singing hi-ho, happy I go where the wind blows wild and free. I'll make my home where the antelope roam. It's a cowboy's life for me. The prairie melody I hear when the day is done comes soft and low in the afterglow that fades with the setting sun. Singing hi-ho, happy I go where the wind blows wild and free. I'll make my home where the antelope roam. It's a cowboy's life for me. The prairie melody I hear when the day is done comes soft and low in the afterglow that fades with the setting sun. Singing hi-ho, happy I go where the wind blows wild and free. I'll make my home where the antelope roam. It's a cowboy's life for me. It's a cowboy's life for me. There is a river called the River of No Return. No return, no return. Sometimes it's peaceful and sometimes wild and free. Love is a traveler on the river of no return. No return, no return. Swept on forever to be lost in the stormy sea. No return. Wailery, wailery, I can hear the river fall. No return, no return. Where the roaring waters fall. Wailery, wailery, I can hear my lover call, come to me.
No return, no return.
I lost my love on the river, and forever my heart will yearn.
No return, no return.
Gone, gone forever, down the river of no return. Wailery, Wailery, she'll never return to me.
No return.
Wailery, Wailery, she'll never return to me.
No return.